my swagger, hop in that whip, yo, I got places to go. People to see, time is precious. I look at my Cartier out of control. Just like my mind where I'm going, the women, the shorties know nothing but clothes. No stopping at my Pirelli's on. Unlike my jewelry, that's always on. I know the storm is coming, my pockets keep telling me it's gonna shower. Call up my homies, it's on and popping the night, cause it's meant to be ours. We keep a fadeaway shot, cause we ballin' this platinum Patron every hour. Look, mama, ow, you just like the flowers. Girl, you the truth with all that goody power.
Everyone has some weak points of their shape. Some people are short or have fat upper body. How can we stand out the strong points of our shape? We will see how to wear clothes to fit our shape. First, if you are chubby, it's better for you to wear a t-shirt which is tight, not loose. In addition, the harmony of black and white makes you look slimmer. Next, if you have short legs, you should wear roll-up jeans or a check pattern t-shirt or a bright t-shirt. It's helpful to distribute people's size. Next, if you are skinny and don't have breasts, it's better for you to wear lacy clothes or put on many layers of clothing. It will cover your skinny shape. Last, if your thighs are thick, you should wear fancy leggings. Moreover, it's better to wear an A-line skirt. It will cover your plump thighs. Now that we know how to expose our strong points and how to hide our weak points, I'm sure that now you can be a fashionista. Good luck with your fashion.